Hey guys! Today's list is packed of interesting and entertaining gadgets, including the best air purifier, a complete set of satisfying fidget toys, spooky dragon claws, and some pretty juicy stuff. As always, all the links to the items are provided in the description box. So let's get started! Okay, now let's start with Gavi's Ultra Bright LED Light Strip. Unlike other RGB strips, this Gavi RGB IC strip has many smart IC chips, giving you magnificent segmented colors and wide customization. Just download the Gavi Home app, select one of the preset scenes from the list, or create your own ones, and it's that simple. Due to the built-in high-sensitivity mic, the strip will sync with the playing music and convert your flowing rainbow into a light show. Enough with the Legos and jigsaw puzzles. You should construct your own robots now. Compared to standard DIY kits, it's not that tough, so don't worry. You'll receive a full set of tools and step-by-step instructions. Tweezers, pliers, soldering iron, and everything else. Each robot has a particular structure and appearance, such as the two-legged heavy sniper or the spider-like hexapod. You may either construct each of them individually or purchase the full set, which consists of 5 parts. All of these spaceships and beasts are constructed from printed circuit boards, a component that is actually used in all of our devices. Additionally, you'll need to outfit the robots with blinking LED lights so that you can tell when they're alive. Some models have only 20 parts, while others have over 100. Every traveler or vlogger wants a tiny action camera with pro-level quality, so we'll check out this one. Thanks to the 6-axis stabilization, this device stands out with incredibly smooth footage and the ability to capture breathtaking 360-degree films. 4 distinct microphones are also used to record the sounds from all sides. And on top of that, a variety of creative modes and filters are available without the need for any special expertise. Since this is still an action cam, it is waterproof and can function in almost any environment. You can easily record slow-mos and time-lapses, acquire an invisible selfie stick, or make a busy street appear absolutely clear. Even more editing capabilities are accessible in the AI-powered mobile app. If you're enjoying our content, please give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you can get our newest and most interesting content as soon as it comes out. If you put this little rocket on your nightstand and turn on the light, it will take you to the world of dreams. The lamp is completely 3D printed, which makes it look very real. The flame color looks soft and warm, and there are 2 different versions, so you can choose the direction of flight. You can also change the brightness level to suit your needs. This rocket lamp has an 800 mAh battery that can be used for up to 8 hours straight without any annoying cords. A USB charging cable is included in the package, which is all you need to power a whole rocket. And this wonderful phone stand combines a number of features and a classy appearance. The stand can be used to position the phone either horizontally or vertically, and the angle can also be adjusted. The coolest feature is that it also functions as a quick wireless charger that can deliver up to 10 watts of output. This product was designed with safety in mind, and it includes overcharge and overheat protection. However, that's not all. Thanks to the integrated LEDs, this stand can also function as a nightlight. There are 3 brightness settings and 3 color options. And lastly, the touchscreen on the top makes operation simple. It seems like everyone carries the same set of accessories these days, but here are some stylish all-metal accessories you can display. Take the Stormbreaker necklace, which is made of titanium. Despite its small size, the gear is very complex and the bold color choices make it appear even more unique. This zirconium Mjolnir hammer is another need for every lover of Thor. If you like martial arts though, these small nunchucks will make a fantastic keychain once again. There are a ton of different designs, but all of them have these beautiful skull tips. And it comes in a variety of colors, decorations, and textures. Really awesome! Now, here's the most fashionable and enjoyable fidget spinner you can possibly obtain. Owing to its ring-like design, the toy is extremely easy to grip and carry. To complete the outfit, you might also need one of these gleaming swords, a traditional one, or this cheerful minimalist katana. Who would have thought that a coconut could function as a high-tech device? Well, meet cocoa bulbs. These innovative lamps are all handcrafted in the Netherlands, and each one is exquisitely decorated with a distinctive pattern. They project a mesmerizing image on your walls within a 100-foot radius. There are 3 varieties of cocoa bulbs: a standard model, a model with several colors, and one with an integrated base. The amount of LEDs varies across versions, but they are all bright enough to be utilized even during the day. In addition, these coconuts are truly rechargeable. Because the battery lasts more than 10 hours on a full charge, you can take this item anywhere you go. This card holder is straightforward, but thanks to the aerospace-grade aluminum and RFID blocking, criminals won't be able to steal your credit card information. The wallet comes in a variety of colors and can contain up to 5 cards at once, one of which is displayed and is the ideal spot for a badge or identification. Particularly lovely are the champagne gold and the pinkish crimson. This wallet is small enough to fit any pocket, but you also have the option of wearing it on a lanyard. In addition, this item is expandable and comes with a variety of pretty cool attachments. You can rapidly attach more compartments and other handy items using the rail system, so you'll never run out of room. This projector lamp will make your room the most romantic place in the world. No need to wait for a gorgeous sunset. It's right on your wall. If you'd prefer a colorful rainbow, you can change the shape and size of the projection easily. Just move the lamp farther from the wall to increase the aperture. The lamp's sleek metal construction guarantees a beautiful appearance and longevity. The provided power supply has a decent long USB cord, so you can plug it in anywhere you like. What makes this Apple Watch charging cable the finest thing? Since it doesn't appear like a wire at all, it is concealed inside the casing. Carrying the device is much simpler. You can now attach it to your bag, hang it from a keychain, or simply carry it in your pocket. Strong magnets keep the watch firmly connected while charging, and you are free to plug it into any adapter, power bank, or laptop. The cable is compatible with almost all variants of the Apple Watch and employs the same technology as the original charger. As bizarre as it may seem, this webcam is a daring experiment that examines the interaction between humans and technology. Almost everything in this eye is a representation of a true biological structure. The skin layer is silicone, while the eyebrow and eyelashes are real human hair. The muscles that we have around our eyes are replaced with 6 servo motors, allowing the eye cam to express different emotions and move the eyelids and brow as we normally do. Although the resolution is still much lower than that of the human eye, which is 720p at 60 fps, the cam can still see moving objects and can even respond to your touch. Who knows? Maybe these eyes are just the first step to a fully artificial body. This air purifier for your car does everything you'd expect it to do, and even more. Its primary function is combating smoke and other nasty odors, and this device is powerful enough to remove dust and all the unpleasant particles, which is great news for your lungs. In contrast to other common purifiers, this one produces negative ions, so it doesn't need to be changed out for new filters or have its scent refilled. The device is rather small and very simple to install. It just connects into the cigarette outlet. Additionally, it offers 2 USB connections for charging your gadgets. It's quite convenient that you can find the port right away even in the dark, thanks to the inbuilt LED lights. We all know that fidget toys, especially those that look fantastic and are constructed of high-quality materials, are the best way to relieve tension. So here are some extremely cool and unique alternatives with somewhat similar clicky motors. This one is entirely constructed of brass and stainless steel. If you want something colorful, this is the option to choose from. It has a slightly larger body made of stainless steel and aluminum alloy. Or perhaps you'd prefer this sleek egg-like toy. The strong magnets inside provide you with the ideal level of resistance. And if you're one of those people who like insects, this little cocoon will definitely make you happy. Speaking about excellent resources, this toy is available in a variety of options, from red copper and brass to the most expensive Damascus steel. However, there is nothing more pleasant than the straightforward play with the ball within. While some individuals get their nails done, others apply real claws. Even though the rings have a formidable appearance, they are nonetheless rather comfortable to wear. These stainless steel rings will make any costume appear to be an actual armor, especially this sinister variant with a built-in blade. You can still flex your fingers though as if you're wearing a standard glove. Or perhaps you're more inclined to wear the Sauron gauntlet. Just be cautious not to lose it like Sauron did, since this one-of-a-kind handmade piece is made from real leather and iron. It is absolutely authentic and includes a gold-plated ring with the original inscriptions.